How do you get it to stop stringing?
I've
been growing out this mustache for a while. Is it gonna rip it off?
Yeah.
I'm not a painter! Well, I've just been informed that this is full of glitter right before we started, and I agreed to do it. Oh, I'm so scared. And it's starting to feel a little bit stiffer on my nostrils.
That's the best part.
Some
glitter.
The glitter's gonna get into my pores, and I'm gonna turn into a prostitute.
You'd be much richer.
This is true.
Do you feel it ripping? Do you
Yes.
feel your face ripping?
It's fine. Oh god.
Try to rip it like a Band-Aid.
Alright, so far it's not so bad. It's a little bit in my hair, so that's the worst. I
I
don't want to rip it off. Okay.
It's easier if you do it one side at a time.
Yeah, well, look how nasty that is. Holy shit. Ah. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, God. It's so bad. Okay.
Do it for the vine. Just rip it. Oh my god.
It is freaking terrible. I'm gonna leave that for fun.
Yeah, your skin is red.
Yeah. I got it too close to like my eyeball. It's gonna hurt really, really bad.
Just do
Maybe
it.
do that part
Rip it.
slow at the top.
I can't do it slow, it hurts.
Okay.
Do you see me crying out of this eye?
Rip it.
Hold your skin taut. Oh,
It's too
God.
late. It's too late for advice. Oh.
Rip it straight across.
Yep, that sounds like a great plan, but it hurts. Oh.
Like, it's painful, but it feels good at the same time.
You're crazy. I don't know about that. It doesn't feel good yet. Oh, God. Oh, man. God.
Yay!
It's real smooth. Feel it with the camera.
You want to do this with me every Monday?
No, I never want to do this again. Look at my eye. I'm weeping.
I do this every Monday.
What's this mask called? Glitter cat?
Space glitter. Or
Glitter
kitten.
Glitter kitten?
Space kitten. I don't know.
Space kitten. If you have the opportunity to use this stuff, only do it once.
Okay, followed by a sheet mask.
Leatherface.